this is my channel. So we all know that we are pretty much grounded, which gives me a great opportunity to catch up on all my wonderful YouTuber friends that I am watching. So if you see that I'm watching your channel and I've watched it like 5 different videos, it's because I'm playing catch up. And I'm also playing catch up on posting all my videos, so I'm sorry if I'm bombarding you. Well, anyway, I have a Stitch Fix and friend mail. So if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content and you like my channel. And tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. And as always, thank you to my loyal subscribers. I do have my Stitch Fix, and I keep asking my stylist to, you have that, what is it, style quiz, where you pick out all your items that you would like to receive. So I'm like, just keep picking from all those items that I like to receive and I'll be fine. Well, I might get 1 or 2. I think my last box, I had a 5 for 5 box on maybe 2 or 3 from my quiz. So we'll have to see what she sent. But because I watch a lot of YouTubers, and of course, I'm sorry, there are my favorites. And Kayla's Closet, I will leave her link. She is just such a sweetheart. She reviews her boxes, she goes into detail what the fabric is, and she had unboxed a box a couple weeks ago. And she got a pair of pants in that box that were so adorable. And she's like, well, these just aren't gonna work for me. I'm gonna put them in the bag. And I'm like, no, I want those pants if you can get them in my size. Because she didn't say what size they were. I'll take them. So I immediately stopped the video and Instagrammed her, and I'm like, I want those pants. Plus, she would have gotten the 5 for 5. So as sweet as Kayla is, I got the pants. She got them in my size. The difference between me and Kayla is she's about this height and I'm about this height. So it turned out they were too short for her and they were perfect. Well, I haven't tried them on, to be honest, but I think they'll fit. She also sent me, she's so sweet, some chocolate, because she knows I will never say no to chocolate. But wait till you see these pants. They look just like a pair of straight black pants, but they are, I think they were by Tryon, but they're like a pull-on, and I love those because then the buttons and everything don't show when you pull them on. But, and again, I'm going to link the video that I stole them from, her video. But look at the bottom. They have this cute lace. So a pair of flat sandals, a pair of high. So I can't wait to try them on. Keeping my fingers crossed that they fit. But I have been a solid 8. So I'm going to be trying this on with my fix today. So Kayla, thank you. She's just such a sweetheart. I know we have a lot of the same subscribers, so let's get into my fix. As most of you know, it's like a $20 style fee. I think a lot of you are on the Style Pass, or you pay a one-time $49 and then you don't have to pay a style fee. I believe I still have a $50 credit. I will leave the link below, so if you haven't tried it yet, you will get your first item, if it's $50 or less, for free. So how great is that? And then you don't have to pay the Style Pass for that box. And they've been switching me up on stylists, and I don't know why, because my past few stylists have been doing a great job. And I have Kate, and I think I had her last box. I'm happy to see those wedge booties were the same as in your Style Shuffle. So it looks like they might have sent me another pair of booties. Now it's getting 80 degrees out here, so I really was hoping maybe for a pair of nice sandals. And of course we have the icky old price sheet, but they have been doing really good on the prices in the box. So, oh, we got one of the old bags. I've been liking the new bags. So I have a feeling these are booties, and I really don't need any more booties because of this time of year. But let's take a peek. They are really cute. They do have this design on the side, the zipper over here, and they're a perfect height for me. So I do like them. So unless I love everything else in the box, I probably won't be keeping them. But I always say that, and you know how that works. You put them on, and then the bag to send them back. And I know nobody likes to go to the post office. I had to send a package back the other day, and I thought I'll just stick it in the mail slot over here, and the post lady can maybe take it back. And my boyfriend chased her down, so she did end up taking it back, so I didn't have to go to the post office. And then we have the bundle. And now that we're getting into summer, the bundles are probably not as thick because there's no sweaters. Or maybe not. So the first thing is so soft. It's by Pink Clover. And it is a Jolly V neck button detail knit top, teal green. Look like blue. It's in a size large, and it's really pretty. See the buttons. Now, as I said, it's getting a little warm here, but what's nice is if we do go back to Washington, that's where we go for the summer, but Washington State has gotten hit so hard. We're kind of putting it on hold. But this would be great to bring up there or down there, I never know. And the next thing is so cute, the color. It's a Letty Me in a large, and I love that brand because I bought a sweater, and actually I just saw Kayla's video, and she's like, oh, I like this. I'm not sure if it's for me. I'm like, you buy it because I have the same exact one. But look at how cute this is. It's got the V-neck, it's got a 3/4 sleeve, and it's got the bottom. So far, it doesn't look like there's any pants in here. So far it looks like I can try these tops on with my Kayla pants. Next thing is by Beacon, and it's a patty roll tab knit top navy in a size large. Now these are not my favorite tops. It's a 3/4 with the button. It's the material. To me it's a little more dressy, and I don't really, you know, I don't work, so I don't really have anywhere to wear this. But it's cute. So we'll have to see. And the last thing in the box is by Brina and M, Elmhurst ombre top in blue and a large. Now again, it is long sleeve. It looks like a very comfortable top you can just throw on. Maybe keep it unbuttoned and put a tank or something underneath. So it isn't something that I normally would reach for, but you never know. So I'm gonna go try everything on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with the first top, and I'm absolutely loving it. I just have to find it. This is the Letty and Me Dallin Stripe 3/4 sleeve pullover in coral. It's a size large, and it's $38. And I think it fits great. It's a great summer top. Tell me what you think. I think it fits great all around. It's got the thing, so I think it's definitely going in my closet. And I forgot the name of the pants already, but I think they're a keeper as well, even though they're from Kayla. This is how the top fits. They're a pullover. They're a little snug now, but I think they will stretch out in time. But wait till you see the bottom. I just threw on some sandals. Don't mind, I haven't been able to go for a pedicure. But I think they fit pretty good. I have two things that are super skinny on my body, and these are my wrists and my ankles. But I think they fit great. And I think this is a great outfit. So I will be right back with the next one. Okay, I am back with the next two pieces. This is the Brianna and M Elmhurst ombre top in blue in a large, and it is $44. And then I'm also back with the DV8 Chaka braid detailed heeled boots in taupe, size 7.5, and they are $89. So here's the top. I do like it. Let's lower you here. And it does, it's actually long. You could probably wear it with leggings. But it does have that nice ombre, and it is super, super comfortable. As I said, I could probably put a tank underneath this and then leave it open or tie it up or do a front tuck. So I kind of like this. I'll probably be on the fence. And then let's get down to the boots. See if I can get them in the picture. So here are the boots. As I said, they are a perfect height for me. If you can see them. And I do like the detail, lift them up here, on the side. I don't really, as many pairs of boots as I have, I don't really have this color or the style. So let me know. Sorry, don't want to make you dizzy. Let me know what you think of this shirt and boots. And I'll be right back with the next outfit. Okay, I am back with the Beacon Patty Roll Tab Knit Top in Navy in a size large. And this is $40. To be honest, I'm not crazy about it. I don't really like the feel of it. The pattern is just okay. It's not something I would really reach for. Let me know what you think. I mean, if I was working, I could throw it on with, you know, a pair of pants that I could wear for work, but it's just kind of a so-so top for $40 for something that would probably maybe get worn once. You know, I could pair it with a pair of white pants, but white shorts, but it's just really not something I would reach for. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll be right back with that last top. Okay, I am back. This is the Pink Clover Jolly V-neck button detail in teal green, size large, and it's $42. I absolutely love the feel of this top. The button detail is super nice. I just wish it wasn't long sleeve, of course. I don't know how they would design it otherwise, but this is just such a comfortable, just throw on top. It's long in the back. This would probably be a great for when it gets cold here in Arizona. And again, I could bring this to Washington because probably like the first month we get there, it's cold enough that I could wear this even during the day, during its rainy season. So let me know what you think, but I do love the neckline on this. I like the way it fits, and again, this material is just so soft. So let me know what you think, and I will be right back with the recap. Okay, I am back. What did you think of my fix? I thought it was pretty good. No pants or shorts, but that's okay because Kayla came through to me. So the total of this fix, the 5 pieces, not counting the pants that I got, was $253, which isn't really bad because there was a pair of boots in there. And the buy all discount would have saved me $63, and the order total would have been $189, which isn't bad for 5 pieces. I did have a $50 credit, so thank you whoever used my credit. And again, I will leave my link below if you want to give it a try. I know, don't rub your face. And of course, there's no shipping. So it's gonna make it tough. It comes to $139.75. What do I do? I really liked this top. It's probably not something I would reach for now because the weather's so nice, but you know, with the discount, this was $42, so it would bring it down like reasonable. Now this is the problem child. I didn't like it. I probably wouldn't reach for it. I could put it on the Stitchfix boards and hopefully, you know, I could sell it that way and recover some of my money, or I can gift it, you know, if somebody liked it. But this one, I liked it on me. The problem is washing it. If I washed it, I don't know if I would want to dry it because it might shrink, and then I'd have to maybe iron it. Who irons anymore? Tell me that. I do have a steamer, so I could probably steam it, but I'm on the fence on this one, so leave me comments below and let me know what you thought. And my Kayla pants are going right in my closets, and nobody's gonna steal those babies. And this is a total keeper, and I can't remember how much this one was. This was $38, and I thought very reasonable. So I'm gonna check, because if this little baby comes in other colors, I'm buying those, or some of those. And then the boots. I like the boots. They're $89. The only way I would get it if I kept the whole box. But I don't know. When would I wear these boots? So I'm on the fence. I really need your all help with deciding on what to keep and what not to keep. But overall, it really, for all tops and boots, it wasn't a bad fix. So please help me. I need some help. And Kayla, thank you. Again, I'm going to leave her link. And as always, you guys have an awesome day, and please stay safe.